Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to force Wi-Fi to connect over 6 GHz in Windows 11 and 10 PCs. In case your PC as well as your router through which you connect to the internet both supports 6 GHz band, you can configure your PC to force connect using 6 GHz band only. For this, right click on this one start button. Here select device manager in the pop-up menu. Then in the device manager click on this one arrow icon under network adapters. Then find your Wi-Fi adapter, select it by clicking on it, then right click on it, select properties option, then switch to this one advanced tab. Then select here preferred band option. In the value drop down menu, choose 6 GHz band option. In my PC, it is preferred 6 GHz band. In case 6 GHz band will be available, my PC will connect through first 6 GHz band. In case 6 GHz band will not be available in my area, it will search for 5 GHz and then it will downgrade accordingly. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.